Hello, dear friends. If you've just purchased your Canon PIXMA TS7720 printer and need help setting it up or installing the correct driver, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through every step, nice and easy. First, remove everything from the box. Make sure you have the printer, the power cord, the ink cartridges, and the quick setup guide before moving on. Plug the printer into a power outlet and press the power button. When prompted, open the front cover and install the ink cartridges until they click securely into place. Next, load plain paper into the rear paper tray. Adjust the paper guides so the paper fits snugly without bending. Using the printer's touchscreen, select Wireless LAN Setup. Choose your home Wi-Fi network and enter your wireless password. Wait until the printer confirms it's connected. Now it's time to install the printer driver on your computer. Visit Canon's official support website, search for the PIXMA TS7720 model, download the latest driver for your version of Windows or Mac OS, and follow the installation steps on your screen. Once installation is complete, print a test page to make sure everything is working correctly. If the page prints clearly, your setup is complete. If your printer doesn't appear during setup, double-check that both your printer and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Restart both devices if needed, and make sure you've installed the latest Canon driver. I hope this guide helped you set up your Canon PIXMA TS7720 with ease. If it did, please like this video, subscribe for more printer tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.